Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to forward multiple messages on Telegram on your PC with the new update. So let's get started. Step 1. Open your Telegram account on your PC. Make sure you are logged in and ready to go. Next, find the chat that contains the messages you want to forward. Scroll through your conversations until you find the right one. Now, right-click on one of the messages you want to forward. This will bring up a menu of options. Click on Select in the menu. This will allow you to choose multiple messages to forward. Select all the messages you want to forward by clicking on each one. They will be highlighted as you go along. Once you have selected all the messages, click on the Forward option. This will bring up a list of your chats to choose from. Choose the chat that you want to forward the messages to. Click on it, and the messages will be sent. And there you have it. You have successfully forwarded multiple messages on Telegram on your PC with the new update. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. See you next time.